Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're watching this in 2025 and dealing with the frustrating issue of Instagram mentions not working, you're in the right place. Mentions are a key feature for tagging friends, collaborating, or growing your account, but glitches can make them disappear or fail to notify. Don't worry, I'll guide you through simple, effective fixes that could get things back on track in no time. Let's dive in. First, start with the basics. Check your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi signal or spotty mobile data might be the culprit. Open another app that requires internet and see if it works smoothly. If not, switch networks or restart your router to ensure a stable connection. Next, update your Instagram app. Developers release updates to fix bugs like this one, so head to your device's App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. Outdated apps are a common cause of functionality issues. If that doesn't do the trick, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, you can offload the app by going to Settings, General greater than iPhone Storage, Instagram, then tap Offload App. This removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts. Another quick fix is to restart your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your phone, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on before reopening Instagram. Don't overlook your privacy settings. Ensure that the accounts you're mentioning can actually see your content. Go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, select Settings, then Privacy, and check options like Accounts you follow or Message controls to make sure nothing is blocking mentions. If the problem persists, try logging out of Instagram and logging back in. This refreshes your session and can fix authentication issues. Go to your profile, tap the three lines, scroll to Settings, and select Log Out. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Instagram support. Head to the Help Center in the app, describe the issue in detail, and submit a report. They might have specific advice for 2025 updates. There you have it. Easy solutions to get your Instagram mentions working again. Give this video a like if it helped, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.